In this lesson, we're going to look at how we can send emails using the Sage CRM internal email client. Now, I'm using the example using Susan May for this lesson, and I'm also using the Sage CRM default demo database. The system administrator has configured this instance of Sage CRM to be able to send emails, and I'm now going to be able to look for Simon Yaltoy and send him an email. Now, the contact Simon Yaltoy works for the company Gatecom, and I can find him underneath the list of people within the company Gatecom, and all I have to do is to compose the email, is to click the email address for that contact. And the email editor screen has opened up, and the user preferences screen offers a choice on how the screen opens up, but this is the default behavior. And you can see that there's the option to choose an email template, and the templates available depend on the context in which we're working, and here I'm going to use the one that's just been offered here. And the template has merge codes similar in concept to the merge fields in the document merge behavior. The email editing area is a fully featured HTML editor, and we can change the text to be any valid HTML. And the email editor also allows documents and attachments to be included. And here you can see that I've started to search for a file within the Shared Documents global library. But I can also attach local files which I can upload from the machine that I'm using. And one other thing to mention before I send the email is that a user can be given the option to send the email using an alias. So in this case, I could choose to send the email from a departmental email address rather than a personal email address. So a user could also choose to copy any colleagues, but I think I'm just about ready to send this email now. Please note that if you're using Internet Explorer, you may see an extra button that says send using Outlook. That would, if you click that, it would export the email and its attachments to Outlook for the email client to be able to complete the send. I just need to click the send button now, and the email is sent. And if I click on the communication tab, you can see that I can filter to look at the completed tasks, and the sent email is listed. And if I want to, I can now click to review the email, and the user has the option from within an email communication record to be able to forward or reply to all, to create a new opportunity or a new lead from this screen. The control of the reply all, and forward buttons is discussed in one of the later administration lessons. Now, some of the email client behavior is under the control of the user, and this is through the preferences screen. So I'm just coming into the preferences screen. Here you can see that a user can control the email screen position, the default email address that they use, and also the default email template that they use. Now, later lessons are going to look at how an administrator can control email configuration and how those templates can be created. And other lessons will also look at the use of groups and saved searches to allow the sending of emails to groups and long lists of emails to sets of contacts.